you in the middle of your joyous rush to shop for family and friends with a number of scams that will take your money and steal your identity. And we are not talking about Mr. Grinch. According to Norton LifeLock, victims of holiday shopping scams lose on average $1,500. I got a chance to talk to a cybersecurity expert to help us make ends meet while also trying to keep you and your wallet safe as you enjoy this festive time.
Yes, cyber criminals make a lot of their money during the holidays. They can exploit all sorts of things.
The scams are almost endless, and they grow more sophisticated by the day.
When people want to spend money, cyber criminals find ways to insert themselves in there and rob them of that cash.
Eric O'Neill, a leading cybersecurity expert and former FBI operative, takes us through some of the top ways cyber thieves get into your bank account and your life during this wonderful time of the year. The first is called doom scrolling or bed rotting.
It's where you sit there on your device and you go through Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook and all the different reels, and you stop on something that looks really neat, and it's somebody trying to sell you something.
O'Neill said there's a good chance it may be a cyber criminal trying to take your money, who will close shop and disappear before law enforcement can find them.
Don't buy things off social media. Do, if you find something interesting, go find the secure website. Make sure that the company is real.
And whenever you pay this holiday season, put that debit card away.
So use things like PayPal that gives you buyer protection and other payment service like through Apple Pay or Google Pay.
If you know you'll pay off your credit card at the end of the month, it too usually offers protections, but don't end up with big holiday charges at the end of the year. Also, using your debit card gives a cyber criminal direct access to the cash in your bank account. The money can be immediately taken from your account. Oh, and that package you're waiting for.
That's the package delivery notification scam.
Nothing's worse than waiting. Maybe you have or haven't ordered a package. You get a text message or an email about delivering a package to your address. Wait, is it real?
If you click the link, you may be installing malicious software on your computer. They can also collect information about you. If you put in like your correct address and your email and all sorts of other information, they can use that for identity theft.
Don't click. It could be a trick. Go directly to the delivery carrier or the retailer's website. Taking more time now will save you more trouble and money later. Another top fraudulent scheme.
Scammers love gift cards because they're easy to buy and almost impossible to trace or refund.
Shoppers love gift cards too. It's the infallible gift when it comes to giving, but when it comes to being got by cyber criminals, things can go wrong.
And you want to check the physical gift card for tampering before you buy it. Make sure the sticker on the back is intact and that you get a receipt.
Scams occur year-round, but cyber criminals, they really ramp it up during the holidays. Now, some scams I didn't mention. Charity scams. Don't give to a charity unless you know it is real. New pet scams. Oh, everybody wants a pet for the holidays. Well, they lure you in with a picture of a pet, but there's no pet. Don't pay for a pet with gift cards, and don't pay before you see that pet in person. O'Neill also says people are cloning voices. They use the clone voice to call you and make you think a loved one is in trouble and needs money. It is scary. Stop and think if that happens. Slow down a minute and think about where your loved one actually may be. If you want more information, you can just go to wave3.com.